4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1.
Pull up the bass.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to a new episode from Backyard Boys. If you guys are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications because the next video is super exciting. We're going to be painting this M2 right over here. If you guys saw my previous episode, you guys saw that we got this thing all primed out and we let the primer sit for a couple of days. That way it cures and settles. So by the end of this video, we're gonna get this thing all prepped out, the door taken apart and ready for paint. Tag along, let's go. Alright guys, well the first thing we're going to do is start blocking out all this primer, getting all the body work perfect and flat. So I'm going to start with a 320 block and start hitting it, making sure that the panel turns out perfect prior to paint. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well we are all done blocking out all the primer. It is looking very good. We still have the front bumper to do and this rear section behind the quarter panel, but I'm going to do that after I prep all the panels that need to be painted, which is the quarter panel, the rear bumper, the door, and this front over here. I like to use red Scotch-Brite for the panels that are going to have paint on them, and I use gray Scotch-Brite right over here for panels that will be blend panels. So let's do that now and then we can hop on work back there and on the front bumper. Alright guys, well that is what a prepped quarter panel looks like. As you guys can tell, it has that like matte finish. Ouch. But anyways, yeah, it has that like matte finish and that is what paint sticks onto very good. We're going to continue prepping the door. We're going to prep this whole thing with a gray Scotch-Brite because this is going to be a blend panel. Obviously because butt matching a color like this, super light, is going to be extremely tough. So we got to strip this door, take off the handle, take off this belt molding, and take off this mirror, and make sure it's all gray Scotch-Brited and prepped out properly. That way the paint will stick onto it and it'll look very good. This section over here, wherever the blend is going to be, I'm going to red Scotch-Brite it, and then the rest is going to be gray Scotch-Brited, and then we're going to continue getting this red Scotch-Brited, and then this panel obviously over here wherever the paint is going to lay, that's going to be red and the rest is going to be gray because that's just going to be clear coat over here, no color over there. But I'm not sure about this right here. I don't think I'm going to prep this fender. I don't think I'm going to paint this fender actually because I believe I can butt match this pretty good. Plus it is a plastic and plastics are often different colors, so we'll see with that. Alright guys, well as you guys can see, we got the door handle off, the belt molding, and the mirror. This door is ready for paint. Besides the paint prep, we got a Scotch-Brite right now with a gray Scotch-Brite. But as you guys can see, door panel is off. It is right over there. So now we can continue, but we first got to take this M2 emblem off because I'm not trying to mask off anything. That's some hack style. We like to do it here professional. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well that is going to be it for tonight. As you guys can tell, that right there was about 5 hours of work getting all that prepped out, and what you see on the bumper right over here, that was actually a rookie mistake of mine, and a little welding spot dripped right over there, but I got it all fixed up. It should look perfect once it's done. As you guys can tell, we got the hard lines out of the hood, out of the fender, and out of the quarter panel. Everything is looking smooth, smooth, smooth. I still need to gray scotch bright that side of the hood, but that will be done tomorrow, and the bumper. But let's take a little look at everything that we've done so far. It is looking beautiful all the way through. We got the door stripped to get that because that is going to be a blend panel, and we got the quarter panel all prepped out. Tomorrow we're also going to take this piece off right here, this bumper bracket, and scotch bright everything up in there, make sure it's all prepped out for paint, and that is going to be it. I will catch you guys tomorrow because it is getting late on us. As you can see, it's dark outside, and we'll finish this up tomorrow. Peace out. Alrighty guys, well it is the next day here, and yesterday we got about 70% of the work done. As you guys can tell, we just have a couple things left to do. This rear body panel over here, and the front hood and bumper. So let's do that right now, and in the next episode we're gonna get this painted. Super excited. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well that took an extreme long time, and the reason for that was because this bumper is used and it has a lot of rock chips and random things on it, and also it has so many edges. As you guys can tell, it is super sharp and edgy everywhere. It looks beautiful, but it is a pain to prep. But anyways, we got it done, and right now we're actually going to put the headlight in right over here and put the front bumper on. That way the whole front end is intact when we go to the paint shop. I'm going to trailer it to the paint shop, but still I just don't want parts laying on the trailer and whatnot. So the fender is all ready, the hood is all prepped out, the door and quarter panel are all ready. As you guys can tell, it is looking very good. All we have left to do is take off this rear bumper bracket and prep behind it, because you guys know that there's fresh seam sealer over there and a couple of spots that need to be painted. So let's do that now, and this car is going to be officially ready for paint. Alrighty guys, well, that is gonna be it for this episode of Backyard Boys. As you guys saw over there, we prepped out this whole entire car, and that was about 10 hours of work to get it all prepped out and properly done. That way the paint sticks and the blends look perfect. So if you guys are new to this channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications, because in the next episode we're painting this beauty. If you guys want any insights of any of my builds, be sure to follow my Instagram right over here, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.